Hi everyone, my name is Carlos and I'm the developer of Dungeons & Dragons Encounter Manager. In this video I want to guide you through the application on its first open version I just released now. First of all, I developed this app with Dungeons & Dragons and Pathfinder in mind, but the idea is that it's as simple as possible so that it could be used on almost any role-playing game. I have recently started to master Pathfinder game, and I found that I had to spend quite some time creating encounters while preparing the session, and then again some time during the session having everything ready before the encounter could start, asking players what's their initiative roles, adding modifiers, setting up the turns, and then updating hit points, status, etc. on every turn. So the idea is to make this process a little bit more dynamic. So let's start with the basic, your crew, which is here. In this screen you can manage the player characters. You're able to add, view and edit player characters from here, and as you can see we already have a paladin, ranger and a wizard, but there is no healer on the group, so let's add a new one. First of all, you choose a picture, take this one, then you can adjust and crop it so it fits the area. This will be your avatar from now on. Let's set some name, in this case for example Alakas. Race, this is gnome. He's monk. Okay. What else? Hit points is 12, initiative, let's say 3, level 3, same as the others. Okay, so just click save. Here it is. Don't worry about this. This will be added in the future. Now it's not fully working. So voila. You have your brand new and shiny adventure shop. Let's get them into troubles. If we go back, we can see all the encounters created. We will just add a new one, say encounter demo. Okay, click on create. You have it here. Let's click on it. Okay. So as you can see here, our hero crew has been automatically added to the encounter. We can still edit it by just long pressing on it. You can remove them or whatever. You will see them here. As you see here, there is another one I called casual ally. This is because you can have here the chance to add new allies that are casual allies, maybe non-player characters that just come from hell at some point, or a casual player who like to take part as a special guest, something like that. So this time let's add it. Okay, so now it's time to add the bad guys. Usually, based on the campaign, you might find that there are tons of same kind of enemy. In this case, players are entering a cave and there is a group of goblins that they will need to fight to progress. Let's see how easily we can add some goblins to the encounter we just created. First of all, we just add a new enemy, choose a picture, this will be a goblin, crop it to fit it. Okay, the name will be goblin. Race will be other goblin. The class he will be a fighter. Hit points say 9, initiative 5 if I'm remembering good, and level say it's 1. Okay, so if we click on save and go back, we will see him here. We can click on add the same way we added our allies before, but you will see that he doesn't disappear from here. This is because we can have many times the same enemy, like Goblin 1, Goblin 2. We'll say we will just have 5 of them. Goblin 2, Goblin 3, let's add another one, so it's 5. Okay. Okay, so here it is. The encounter is now set. If you see the initiative, it's rolled automatically based on the initiative modifier we added for Goblin, which is +5, and a random number from 1 to 20. So yeah, you don't have to worry about throwing the dice for everyone. Okay, so the only thing that you would do before starting encounter is asking each player what's their initiative roll. Let's say Asgard, he has a, I don't know, 10. Barakas has a 14. Saligo, he has I don't know, 9. Say Antares has a big one, 20. And this Casolai has a 17. Okay, so the encounter is ready to start. Right, so we just need to click on this icon here on the top right screen of the screen, and there it is. It will order the turn automatically. You can just start playing. Now the workflow is pretty simple. You can jump to next turn, character by character. Just click here, and you will see it just go through. And then also you can click on any of the enemies or the allies. Let's say we will hit this goblin number 4 with 6. Okay, as you can see, his status has automatically changed from good to bloodied. This is because his hit points have been dropped below the half of them. But this is done automatically, but you can always change the status manually. Like let's say is split. Okay, or you can do whatever. Then let's jump to another turn. Let's say Asgard kills this guy with this 11 hit points hit. Yeah, you can see this guy goes dead, but the turn will still go over here, because there is always a chance he can revive or go back to life. Yeah, this is basically it. So this is as simple as I could keep it. So yeah, it should work for almost any roleplay games that has encounters based on initiative. I think it has the basic stuff hit points on heal, yeah, status. Hope you enjoyed the video and you start using my app instead of wasting tons of papers. The planet and myself will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Peace.